Good morning everyone. Yeah, once again from this year, Sunday morning. Wala nang pahinga, instead na magpahinga. Yeah, mag-video lang tayo sandali at may pupuntahan po tayo. May Indianong nagpapagawa ng bakod, sayang din. So sana magagawa namin, 3 panel lang naman yon. So yesterday, last other day po, hinakot ko po yung panel sa aking roof rack. So ngayon ikakabit na namin. So kita tayo doon sa area ng mga 30 minutes drive from my home. Kaya doon po tayo magkita guys. At tingnan natin kung ano yung lugar nila sa Islay. Okay, Beam Nut Road. Okay, shout out din sa mga taga Beam Nut Road, Roland Rivera, Binis Rivera. Yan tayo sa lugar nyo. Yan, sa mga bago lang po sa channel ko na makapanood ng aking mga video, please don't forget to subscribe, like my video, pakiclick yung notification bell para updated po kayo sa mga video yung ina-upload ko. Yan po si From D. Once again, thank you so much and see you there in Islay. So come rejoice. Yan, dito na po tayo sa Islay. Yan, hindi na tayo video ng motorway. Yan, nandito na po tayo sa aking pupuntahan sa Nabingbo Road. Need to find out ang road niya ulit. Baka nalimutan ko. Puno pong yan dati malalaki, pinutol nila para maging yung pong style dito guys. Basta co-op is there. Basta na ba tayo? Ayan, co-op yan. Dito tayo sa Nabin Road. Nabin Road po. Okay, said straight. Ito po ang Islay Nabin Road. Not Beam pala, not Nabin. Not Beam Road. Then another kanto tayo, another post tayo dito sa road na to. Tiny road lang po to. Ang mga bahay dito sa Islay hindi ganun kaano. Na halos dikit-dikit, style London style. Sa pangalawang road, they said turn right. Okay, turn right po tayo dito sa Blenheim Road. Then doon tayo sa harap, Wilmer Road. Doon tayo pupunta sa kabilang yun, sa kaliwa. Kaya lang wala pong parking, kaya dito na po tayo guys. Number 35 percent. Yan, dito sa may gray house. Yan, dito na po tayo guys. Video. Ano po yung lugar nila guys, Wilmer Road, Islay. Punta natin yan minsan, mga ganyang bulaklak sa isang forest. Ayan guys, so ano kami kaman. Must be inside, no? Must be inside. Another post.
We have, but I think this is good one. This is going to be better, but this is small.
Yeah, it is small.
This is little bit
This with the same level, I think it's okay. You know what I mean? It's this one is better because it's the same. If you put the panel in it on the top, that's alright. This one you can support here. If you add a little bit of panel in it.
This is
already in the ground. In the end, look. It's very strong now.
first need take root post now.
Yeah. We can find.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, this is hard one. Looking the right way.
I think I put on like oil is red.
Oh yeah.
Spirit. Here, right here. Spirit. You know,
Okay.
yeah.
Get the spirit.
No drink it.
Gawin doon. Gawin na. Bigla. Wish ko wala na. Yeah, it's closer. Huh? Just record my. That's my camera.
Huh?
That's my camera here.
Oh my god!
I show to my wife because they are believing me.
Oh.
You know that I'm here.
No, this is Gary is good one, man.
Is it?
You show my videos to wife on YouTube. My photo name. You show look because this person is very famous person. I went.
I tell her. She thought that's the Kamal that Kamal. Yeah, the Kamal. I said no. It's Kamal previously. Yeah. It's not Abi. Okay, it's Kamal. Shout out Abi. Fine. Like a stair, you know? No, the post.
Little bit high.
Yeah,
Little bit
but
high.
it's okay.
But not very high.
No worry. You
Yeah.
just need it to be like
Yeah.
elevate.
Yeah, this is a little bit high. Don't worry.
We can push more.
Yeah. Use this. Like this. Yeah. This is stand for camera.
Yeah.
This is good. Light is well.
Yeah.
This is stand from buy from the Amazon.
No, Temo.
Temu? You give me this. I need this
Yeah,
one.
you just find camera in the same.
Mobile camera. This is good one. Yeah, if you something doing job like this, good.
Yeah. You can stand there. You can just hold like that. And you can put the light on it.
Yeah, but
If you want to put a light and you put something like there, it's okay. So it's enough. All right.
keep
long.
like keep on the.
That's my Kamal. This is a popular Indian singer. All right, and
Watch my
respect.
video.
Yeah, what's the
on
video,
YouTube.
Kamal? What your Kamal channel?
Kamaljeet Sohpal. KS Awaz
Okay.
Music.
I just put in my description next time. Okay, in my YouTube.
KS Awaz Music.
Yeah, okay.
KS Awaz Music, my channel.
Yeah, I will search and
Thank
just
you very
post
much.
in
Very
my
good, man.
my live. Okay.
We work together.
Alright.
Yeah.
See you. See you. Oh, ayan guys, oh. Natapos na rin namin ng panel. 3 panel lang yan. Kinabit namin. Oh. Ba. Oh. Ayos po. Ayan yung parking niya, oh.